Welcome to Lord Krishna Public School, Pauti, Samalka. This is the boundary wall of the school. I am Pradeep Kumar. I shall take you to the school. This is the primary and middle wing of the school, the playground for the students, the main entrance. This is the boundary wall of the school. I am taking you to the reception of the school. This area is for the parents who visit the school. This is the waiting area. The receptionists sit there in front. The waiting area is on both sides of the reception. This is the principal's office. The principal sits in the room. The school is under surveillance in every corner of the room. The cameras are installed in every room. The principal can observe all the students and the teachers during the school hours. This is the maths lab. The solid figures. These are required for mathematical activities. Some charts are displayed there. The portraits of the mathematicians. The multiplication table is also displayed here. This is physics lab. The experiments of physics are performed here. Now we are going to have a look of the chemistry lab. The platforms required for the chemistry lab. Water taps are also available with the sink. This is the biology lab. The human skeleton is displayed here, the circulatory system and the other models. This is the washroom for the staff. It is used only by the teaching staff of the school. The toilet for girls. This is the area where students can drink water. The students can have potable water here. I shall take you to the library now. This is the soul of the school, where the librarian sits and maintains the record of the books, journals and periodicals. This is the sitting area where students sit and study. At the back, the stocking area, the books are placed there. This is the classroom for the students. The first aid box is also installed here. This is another classroom. This is another room. The students sit here comfortably and receive education. This is the computer lab of the school. The area where technology works. All the students learn how to operate the computer. They learn computer languages also. This is another classroom of the school. This is the corridor of the school. We have rooms on both sides of the building. The water taps where students can drink water. Water taps are on every floor. The boys' toilets. The toilets are on each floor. This is the classroom. This is the geography lab. The globe is displayed here. Various equipment devices are before us. The maps, the map of world, mountain buildings, Indian political map, types of rocks. This is the multipurpose hall where students can play indoor games, and the functions of the school are also organized here. We have a very beautiful stage. Here students can practice wrestling. They can play table tennis here. All the indoor games can be played here. We are moving towards the badminton court. It is between two buildings where the players are not disturbed by the temperature or the weather conditions. This is the playground area. This is the playground for volleyball. That is the playground for netball. That side we have the park for children, and this is the primary block and the middle section. This is the school fleet. This is the ramp which can be used by the physically challenged students. This is the aerial view of the school. The complete school compound will be visible now. The school boundary, the main block of the school, sports ground, the playground for Kho-Kho, this is the park where students can sit and enjoy. This is the additional classroom. Now we are going to the reception again. The reception has the entry from 4 sides. This is one side, this is the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. This is another block of the school. The main entry is visible. In front we have the road which goes to Samalkha.